What's up everyone, and welcome to the channel. This is Double Damage's first ever Fortnite video, where I'll be showing you guys where the Week 8 Battle Pass star is located, and also kind of giving you a brief description of who we are and what you can expect from us in the future. So without further ado, my name is Dirty Zaz, and I'm partnered with my buddy Zackus Burkus, who you guys will meet in the next upcoming video. Unfortunately, he couldn't be here today, but we'll be providing you guys with weekly challenge locations, trick shots, our first highlight video more importantly, and anything else you guys might want to see. Just leave a comment down below in the comment section. Also, feel free to follow us on Twitch. Watch our daily streams. I'll leave the links to that down in the description. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and feel free to follow and subscribe to the channel for weekly updates, as well as our highlight intro being released next week. Thanks, homies.
All these niggas so bad, man.